Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to open up a box from, I don't know, Clark and Riggs. I'm not sure when I ordered it. But before that, today is National Frankenstein Day, and I love the Universal monsters. Frankenstein is close to my favorite, but The Creature from the Black Lagoon is my favorite. So, in honor of Mary Shelley's Frankenstein and Frankenstein, I purchased from Spirit Halloween a Trick or Treat Studios Frankenstein mask. You can see that got side shot there. So this mask was on sale. I used a coupon. But on Trick or Treat Studios website, you can get this right now as it's discontinued. They aren't going to be making these anymore, to include a few of the other masks, Universal monster masks. So if you're interested in something like this, you should definitely go pick it up here pretty soon before they're all done. All right, let's get to the box. So, we'll see, that's what I ordered. I'm not sure. I have an idea, but I got a few things that are coming that I just don't know when and where and who's always shipping them. So, all right. We got some packing paper from Shout Studios. That might give us a little indication of what it is. Alright, so what I ordered was a movie bundle, Night of the Comet, and it came with this extra slip cover here that I will share with you. You can see that. And I really like a lot of the 80s horror movies, but this is the 4K Ultra Night of the Comet. And this bundle, I didn't get one of the larger bundles, but this bundle came with a poster as well. And it actually looks like it maybe came with two posters. If you can see that. And then it shows a photo of this one as well. So it came with two posters, an extra slip cover, and I'm not big into the extra slip cover, but I just like Night of the Comet, so it was on sale through Scream Factory, so I had to pick it up. All right. That was a short video today, but hopefully you guys all have a good day. Please remember to like and subscribe to the new channel, and I'll keep trying to put out videos every day if I can. Otherwise, that's all I've got for you today, so hopefully you guys have a great Frankenstein holiday. Have a good day.